My name's Ulla. Welcome to Rhyme Time. Let's start off with our acknowledgement to country. Here is the land, here is the sky. Here are my friends, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down. We're on Gubby Gubby ground. Let's say hello to each other by singing the hello song. Are you ready? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? I hope you're doing well today. I've got some special guests joining me for Rhyme Time today because we are doing Monster Rhyme Time. So we're going to meet some monsters, but I think they're going to be friendly monsters. So let's meet them now. We have our little red monster and our little purple monster. So let's get into our rhyme time. This little monster has a big red nose. This little monster has some purple toes. This little monster plays all night. This little monster is such a fright. This little monster goes tee-hee-hee. I'm not scary, I'm just me. Let's do that one again. That was a fun one. This little monster has a big red nose. This little monster has purple toes. This little monster plays all night. Oh goodness! This little monster is such a fright. This little monster goes tee-hee-hee. I'm not scary. I'm just me. Well, did you hear a little squeak from that monster? I think I heard a little squeak from the monster. Let's sing our next monster song and maybe we'll hear some more squeaking. If you're a monster and you know it, wave your arms. If you're a monster and you know it, wave your arms. If you're a monster and you know it, then you really ought to show it. If you're a monster and you know it, wave your arms. If you're a monster and you know it, give a squeak. If you're a monster and you know it, give a squeak. If you're a monster and you know it, and you really ought to show it. If you're a monster and you know it, give a squeak. One more verse. If you're a monster and you know it, stamp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you're a monster and you know it, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you're a monster and you know it, and you really ought to show it. If you're a monster and you know it, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Goodness, that's a lot of movement for two little monsters. Maybe our monsters need a rest, and I'm going to bring out another friend for our monster story time. Not exactly a monster, but still, sometimes people can be scared of spiders. This little spider is fairly friendly. Let's sing a couple of spider songs. Do you know one about Incy Wincy? Let's sing that one. Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Lovely. Let's see what else spiders get up to. I think they do have fun scaring people. Do you? I think you do. What about little Miss Muffet? Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Oh, goodness. Come back, Miss Muffet. Come on back. The spider's friendly, I promise. Oh, well, let's finish up our rhyme time today with a little bit of twinkling. I'm going to pop my spider on my lap. There we go. We can finish off with twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And on that note, I think it's time to say goodbye. Should we get one of our monsters back to wave? Yeah. Let's have our little purple monster wave goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. Well, that's goodbye from me and the monsters and Incy Wincy. I hope I'll see you next time for another rhyme time session.